Have you ever pondered over the art of crafting the perfect thesis report? Today we delve into this intricate process, breaking it down into simple, manageable steps that could transform your thesis writing journey. So buckle up and prepare to navigate the maze of thesis report writing. First things first, the root of a good thesis report is a compelling and unique research question. This is the backbone of your report, the thread that weaves together all your arguments and findings. So take your time, brainstorm and choose a research question that sparks your curiosity and aligns with your study field. Next, you'll need to conduct a comprehensive literature review. This process entails exploring previous studies and findings related to your research question. You aim to identify gaps in the existing body of knowledge that your thesis could potentially fill. Remember, a well-conducted literature review not only sets the stage for your research, but also helps you avoid the pitfall of duplicating existing studies. Once you've got your literature review, it's time to formulate your research methodology. This is your game plan detailing how you'll collect and analyze your data. Are you conducting interviews, surveys, or perhaps a case study? Be clear and precise about your approach to ensure your research remains focused and valid. Now you're ready to dive into the actual data collection and analysis. Gather your data meticulously and analyze it with the lens of your research question. Your findings should provide insight into your research question, painting a clear picture for your reader. Be honest with your results, even if they aren't what you expected. After analyzing your data, you'll need to discuss your findings. This is where you connect the dots, explaining how your results answer your research question. Make sure to highlight the implications of your findings and how they contribute to the existing body of knowledge. Finally, you'll wrap up your thesis report with a conclusion. This is a succinct summary of your research, highlighting the key findings and their implications. You can also suggest areas for future research, sparking curiosity for the next generation of researchers. Now take a moment to reflect on the journey we've just taken. We started with a unique research question, explored existing literature, formulated a research methodology, collected and analyzed data, discussed the findings, and wrapped it all up with a conclusion. Each step, integral and interconnected, leads you to a well-rounded and compelling thesis report. Your thesis report is more than just a paper. It's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and the contribution you've made to your field of study. So, when next you find yourself staring at a blank screen, remember the steps we've covered today and dive into the wonderful world of research with confidence and zeal. Remember, every great thesis begins with a single question, so go ahead, ask that question and let your research journey begin.